Hello mga guys. Again, it's Genevieve the Billy Norman. Guys, I am from Philippines. From really Filipino in here. Living in Sweden. So, I believe that God has purpose every child born. Kasi ako yung purpose talaga. My purpose is to lead. Kasi may naiba sa akin guys. Now, itong ginawa ko guys, I just want to learn you na itong dwarf ko, ano sila guys, mag-anak-anak sila from the mother dwarf snake plant until ini-separate ko sila guys. They are separating to each other. Ganyan oh. Doon oh, like that. Parang ganon sila oh. Parang ginanyan ko sila guys. Diba? Parang so ka-interesting. Because I love planting at all. I just want to learn you na itong dwarf snake plant is good for lucky plants. 2025 is snake plant is good for lucky plants. Ngayon, I learn nyo na ilagay nyo sa ganyan. Tapos, ilagay nyo sa medyo hindi malamig inside the house. Then, you taking care of them of course. Until, bantayan nyo. Para silang mga tao na inalagaan ko guys. Tapos ganito sila, tapos gumanyan sila. Until, ang finishing touches is here. Para siyang rose. Para siyang rose. Oo. Parang yung disenyo niya is like a rose. Honestly, ako talaga nag-alaga dyan. Honest to goodness. Sa matagal na panahon. Kasi parang feeling ko, I'm trapping in here because of the situations, of the race, sa lahat-lahat. Itinanim ko na lang yung depression ko, yung na-stress ako, yung na-boring ako, until I realized na ito palang mga pinagagawa ko. My decision in life is right. Kasi nobody's perfect guys, diba? I learn you na kapag may mga ganito kayo tapos mag-anak-anak sila, isiparit ninyo like that para dumami sila until ganito sila. Kasi mabuti ito sa this is very effective for lucky plants. This is what I'm doing in here to be prospered. Honestly, promise. Ito talaga yung mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko. Kung ano-ano na lang mga pinagagawa ko to be prospered at all. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye.